Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you are going to create the eyes for your animals. So depending on if you are going to make a cat or a dog, you will just change the pupil slightly. So I'll talk about that when I get to this step. I'm going to work on this eye here. So you'll have to have yours cut out, the eye shape, and then you can use just a blank piece of paper to catch this extra India ink that's inside of this bottle. So what you're going to do is you're just going to outline around that eye shape, giving it a nice black outline. And it's okay if some of that extra goes onto the paper. You just want to make sure that you didn't miss any spots. So I've got my basic black outline, and then we're going to make a curve because of where the pupil and the iris are. So this is going to be where the iris is, the colored part of the eye. So in these little sections here, you're just going to completely black that out because animal eyes don't really have the white that you see in our human eyes. So now that I have this shape, you can see this is just the same as the dog. For the dog pupil, you're going to make a circle, and then what I did is I used a pencil and kind of mapped out two smaller circles to be reflections in the pupil, and then I just used the bingo dauber around this, trying to keep this white. So for the cat eye has more of a football-shaped pupil, so their pupil is going to be more pointed at the bottom and the top. And then you can also add in a couple reflection marks in the pupil for the cat. So I'm just going to put like 2 here. And then I would go ahead and color this in. Now it's going to get a little thin, and this is a little bit of a thicker tool, so it can get a little tricky, but we'll just try to make this as round as I can. And then whatever's left is fine for the reflection. You just want to have some sort of reflection. Okay, so now I've got my cat eye shape and I've got my dog eye shape.